Hello everyone. Today we will get to know about mobile app development and types of mobile application platform and what are the languages developer use to develop this application. Before getting to topic, we have to realize that technology is like a treasure. If you find a proper treasure, you are the luckiest person and you will be a millionaire soon. The same way, if you find a proper way for your growth, you will be a successful person in your life soon. The choice is yours. Let's get into topic mobile app development. The application which will run on mobile devices, that application called mobile apps. In today world, everyone have a smartphone. In that smartphone, we have a lot of application which will make us to have more fun and more productive. This application will make us more sophisticated. Let's see how. For example, via this application, you can chat and talk with anyone. We can take a pictures and to buy things from online and for money transfer application, and it will help us to learn new things from website and YouTube and other resources. Today people can live one day without food, but they can't live without phone and some applications. That's why this mobile application playing major role in people day to day life. These applications born from different way with the different languages. Let's see how and what are the types of mobile app. We have a three different type of mobile app, but mostly people don't think about this app application type and how it will work. As a user, they does not know how this application developed and what type of app is this. But it's better to know what type of application and about app performance to keep our device faster. Let's see the types. First one native app, second one hybrid app, third one web app. Upcoming slide, we will see detailed information about these applications. Before getting to detailed information about app types, we will see what eligible degree do we need to become an app developer. In software field, most of the company they looking candidates who have a knowledge on technology. They consider degrees as second part. Anyone can become what they want if they have enough knowledge and interest. Come to the degree part. First priority goes to computer related degree candidates like BCA, BSc Computer Science, BSc Computer Application, and other computer degrees and master degrees also. Next, engineering degree. In engineering, we have a several department who does not have a background in computer science. Those engineers also have a possibility to enter into software field, but they have to learn some technology before coming. Third, diploma computer courses. They also have a chance to become an app developer with some additional software skills. Fourth one, any degree candidate also have chances, but the candidate need to study or learn some additional app development courses like Android, iOS, React Native, Xamarin, or some other technology they have to learn. So be positive and be confident on yourself until you reach your destination. Let's get into native app. Initially, maximum number of application built as a native app. Main reason for developing native app is to make user friendly and give better performance. The native application will develop for single platform. The platform is at iOS and Android. The language used to develop the app is that for iOS Shift, Objective-C, Shift UI, which is new one. For Android, Java and Kotlin. Next, process of native application. This application is very faster. This application will be available in App Store, Play Store, and you can find easily. And also, it will give better performance and user friendly because this application will interact with device utility. In cons of native app, it's for single platform, very expensive for develop. We have to use order language for development purpose, and it's hard to maintain after develop. Next one, web app. This application software that run on web browser. Web application are accessed by the user through a web browser with an active network connection. A web application does not need to download and instead of access through the network. WhatsApp is the best example of web app. The platform is web browser. What are the language they are using to develop this application like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js and React.js? The pros and cons of web app. First one, pros. This app runs inside a web browser like Safari, Chrome. It seems like a regular website. Developing a web app is very cheaper compared to other type of app development. And web app can be made compatible with older mobile devices and more versions. Cons. Web app can be expensive when they need to support multiple platforms. It's difficult for the developer to maintain and track the usage pattern and provide support for all the different platforms. Web app are hard to find because they are not listed in any app stores. There is no quality control system for web app. Therefore, users are not guaranteed safety and the security of the app. Let's get into hybrid application. This hybrid application, combination of native application and web application, but it looks similar to a native application. A hybrid app is run by a website. They display web content using the web technologies. Today, hybrid applications are used in various devices. Mostly, it's preferred in mobile devices irrespective of operating system. The language which is used to develop is that Flutter, React Native, and Ionic and Xamarin. This is all trending language for hybrid app development. Pros of hybrid application. It's easy to build and much cheaper than native application. Main advantage is single app for all platform. No browser needed and it's so faster to develop than native application. Cons of hybrid app. Performance is less than native application, more expensive than web application, poor user experience and functionality than native application. Let's get to know live usage by people, which means example of all this live application and how people connected with this application in day-to-day life. Smartphone made a great revolution in this world. If you have a smartphone in your hand, which means you have everything whatever you want. Let's see native app. WhatsApp, Google Maps, LinkedIn, Twitter, Book My Styles, Truth of Life, and other application. WhatsApp is the biggest resource for chatting and video calling, and Google Maps for location and navigation purpose, and LinkedIn for job finding, and Book My Style for beauty industry. Next, web app. How we are connected with web app? Let's see. Web app is nothing but it's a browser application like WhatsApp web, web email, and word processor and a spreadsheet. And also, if we scan QR code, you can see the application in browser. And most of the company they have their own web app for their own use. And third one, hybrid app. Most of the e-commerce and the social media app is hybrid app because the development cost is too low as we discussed. Here some example of hybrid app: Instagram, Facebook, Evernote, Flipkart, Amazon and Uber and other related applications. Next comes growth for developer. If you have a good knowledge and years of experience, you will get a unexpected salary. That means salary package is too high. As a developer, we need a machine and testing device and internet connection to work. If you have all this, you can work at anywhere. For developer, most of the company they will provide all the needable devices, machines, and even internet connection also. We don't want to buy personally for official use. In this app development field, you can develop app for your own use to perform specific tasks according to your requirements. For example, you can create story application to share your thoughts and personal experience. Some study material app also you can do easily. Apart from this, you can work as a freelancer also in your free time. Based on the project bit, you will get some money except your salary. It's like side business or it's like part-time job. New technology also you can learn easily because as a developer already know the logic, but we have to learn the syntax. For live example, you know how to drive a bike. For some reason you want to drive a car. As you know, both are the same logic, but we have to learn something which we are not knowing, like steering control and reverse gear and ground clearance and all. The same way we can learn other language so quickly. I hope now you had a clear knowledge about mobile app development, and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more video subscribe our channel. Thank you.